or 23. Wait, I was 10, so that's...
Will you quit showing into the road and pointed at us?
I am! Dirt!
We just completely walked around the neighborhood for no fucking apparent reason.
Okay, let's walk straight.
Okay. You know what? That's funny because we're always going crooked. And there really is tea in there. It was all bubbly.
There's my house! Bye, my house!
You guys look out the window. Oh my god, that door is closing. That's creepy.
I know who lives there. There's like my...
There's a mailbox on the ground. There's a motorcycle over there. There's a newspaper on the ground.
I know who used to live here.
There's a window!
Huh.
There's
a nice person who lives here. Them people's are rich.
There's China.
This guy's a molester.
Is he the one that made you touch his pee-pee?
No, that was the house back there, remember?
Oh.
He left. I think he went to jail or something. Like, got killed. I haven't seen him in a long time.
I don't know if he'd get killed because he made you touch his pee-pee. You know what this is? It's a penis.
That was 24th Street. And Barbara Avenue. Barbara! Look at all these flowers. These people are freaks. They're fruit. They're freaks.
You look like hot messes.
We hot sex. After sex.
Hey, look at our mailbox.
Son.
I'm going to be a courteous person and close my mailbox.
They probably have like a video camera out here watching us recording their house. We're not weird. We're just recording other people's houses.
This is a puppy.
The girl who used to live over here used to be goth.
Who?
Her name's Kayla. She was like my best friend. She's like 20-something now. Look at the yellow lines. Let's walk on them. Work it, girl. Work it.
Wait, I was excited because everyone's going to look out the car window.
Sewer thingy. Step on it.
I did.
Right turn only.
You want us? Oh, yeah, we have to follow the rules. We have to follow the rules.
Okay, this way.
Run!
Look at the cars go by.
Almost 16 minutes. Oh my god, it is a new record.
I'm in the bike lane, it don't count.
Hey, when the cars group, I'm gonna run across the road. There's something in my booty.
It's called a spark. My friend Victor used to live here, now his Haitian daddy lives here, and he's mean.
Alright,
Stop it!
wait till that car passes. It's still a car. Way back there. You're going too fast. Obey the speed limit.
It's 20 miles per hour. Run! Run! There's a man on the bike. Run!
I almost supposed to hit the guy on the bike.
This is my uncle's house.
Where's this rainbow again?
We always.
Oh my god!
That's a huge rainbow.
Crazy stuff for rainbow. Can you see it?
Not on the camera. Maybe when we play it later, it will. This is my uncle's house. We shoot off fireworks all in his lawn.
I'm being courteous.
And they go whoosh, 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 whoosh. And then they go out on the street and it's all foggy. You can't see shit.
You're like showing them your entire neighborhood. They're going to come down and stalk you.
So I love that.
This is my bedroom. Third window on the left.
Wait.
I'll be in bed my
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's not even a left.
I'm being a jackass. We quit putting it for ground.
But it's interesting watching our feet move.
Our choke on your feet. Kid sitters. I like seeing I like the kind of
Watch for children! We have to
Don't
watch.
go on the road.
We have to watch and wait for the children.
You little orphan children.
No children yet.
What's that?
I don't know what the fuck that's supposed to mean because we're like the only people in this neighborhood.
Kids.
There's the dirty Mexicans. No offense to Mexicans, they're just yeah.
We're gonna get so many hate comments from this fucking video.
We're not. Look at your Fruit Loop. And next to them with the big bush is
with the big bush. That doesn't sound right. That sounds like
this guy's a weirdo. He lives here. He has no car. He never leaves his house.
This guy's a creeper.
Very much.
I wonder how much mail he's got in his mailbox. Like freaking stuffed in there. You open it, just like explodes. You're just like, you've got mail.
My cousins live here. I have like my whole fucking family in my neighborhood. These are like my second cousin. They have kids. They have kids.
They have a baby, don't they?
They have 2 kids.
What was that?
Chris and that little one. Like Haley or something like that.
Oh my god, that car scares me.
What are you doing looking at her at all? Just the camera. There's a pretty rainbow.
There's a new car.
A piece of water just fell on my head. Right there. What happened to this car, I wonder? Where? That's my cat. I'm gonna jump over the ditch. Here, Emily, hold this. Here, watch.
Okay, my turn. I'm going to run with the camera. I want to hold the camera this time. Alright, I'm going to try to jump it this time. Go, Emily. No, my turn. Go, Emily. Woo! I have to re-jump over this one. Alright. Go! Amy, go! Oh, you got it. I'm going to do it anyway. My turn. This is going to be... No! I get to hold the camera. You ready? Ready? Amber. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, my ankle popped. Ow. Where did your pussy go?
You're doing the same thing. Speed, scratch.
Something smells like ass. Are we going to continue the neighborhood, or are we going to go inside, get some shoes on, and go in the woods?
Really go inside.
Get some shoes on. Get some shoes on the woods.